Jingle bell, jingle all the way. This has been a song for our childhood, especially for those who have studied in a convent school. We have enjoyed every moment of Christmas as a festival of our own, be it decorating the Christmas trees, eating cakes, distributing gifts, waiting for the Santa. Christmas has always been a very memorable day in our life. It is that day where we still live as a child. It is that day where we start preparing to bid farewell to the old year and welcome a new year. Few years back, on the occasion of Christmas night, I had written a poem, The Freezy Silence. Today I am dedicating it to this very special Christmas of 2020, which is nothing but end of a very unhappening year with hope of a very happening new year 2021. So the poem is The Freezy Silence. Silence is eternal, silence is paternal, but for a truck driver with a license, it is his companion, the freezy silence. Cozy is its presence, as without it the winter nights are nonsense. Still, some people fail to understand the beauty of this chilly night's trend. Winter is the most painful season for those whose lives are on verge of erosion. Yet, for beggars in the streets, it is the season where they meet. It is the season where a noble soul with a blanket sheet for them as their Christmas greet. People say winter is very boring, but for weaver who spends months weaving, this is the best time for his earning. As poor or rich, all require a woolen covering. Poems are written about spring, poems are written about rainy rain, but not many write of winter, as there is no time to think near a heater. I wonder how this goes unmarked, that the nights of the winter can more be remarked once we start loving its essence, the eternal freezy silence. Silence, we know, are many in number, but this silence is worth to remember, as it is not the silence of a broken heart or the silence of an angry brat, but it is the silence of relaxation brought to us by the chilled winter session. Wearing a sweater and a monkey cap is not the only thing, dear chap, that winter offers us much more than only hot coffee and bread tour is what we must understand to the core. As the days and nights of winters are fun for sure, Christmas and New Year are the gifts of cold, soothing winter winds drifts. In days we spend time with kites, and in night we worry of the mites. Even then, winter night is lovely and bright, as it brings with it our dear friend with whom we spend ages together till the end. If you wonder who is that buddy talking about whom I sound so proudly, I tell it is his presence. He is the frenzy silence. Thank you.